ito na po yung Valenciana. Napadami yata yung haldi powder ko dito. But anyway, it will be good for you. Anyway, haldi powder. Sticky rice. I mean, glutinous rice, guys. This is a glutinous rice with haldi powder. Dahil ako lang ang because I'm the one only eats. So I got this liver, chicken liver, onion, and then yeah, and then that's it. That's my favorite. Yeah, because I like to cook outside. Yes, ito yung Valenciana na lulutuin ko ngayon. Tapos ito naman yung kanyang sticky rice. So, yeah. Atay lang nilagay ko. Saka yung para hindi siya kasi ako lang kakain, guys. Kaya, but I need to cook this. Ako lang kakain ha. Kaya hindi na ako maglagay ng maraming kung ano-ano pa. Atay lang siya. Hindi ko nalagyan kasi ako lang naman kakain. Kaya, okay lang. Yan. Ayan. I'm not sure it's gonna work, guys. But we'll see. This is not for you. Anyway, that's for mommy. I think I put too much haldi powder. Ayan. Ayan, naparami yata yung mag-try.